Curry paste is fantastic to have in the pantry when you want to make a really quick curry. And if you've got a little leftover, just like I have here, here's a fantastic way to use it up. I'm going to show you how to make crispy chickpeas as a lovely vegan snack. They're also great to add on top of a salad or even as a garnish for a curry. So into a bowl, we're going to add our curry paste. I have a red curry paste. Of course, it has red chilies through it, galangal and lemongrass. Absolutely delicious, super aromatic. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon. To that, I'll add just a small splash of oil of your choice, just to loosen it up, and a tiny pinch of salt. Give that a whisk. And now we're going to add our chickpeas. Now, these are canned chickpeas. It's really important to drain them, rinse them, and then dry them off really well with some paper toweling. The drier they are, the crispier they're going to be. So 1 can of chickpeas, and then just coat them in all that delicious red curry paste. And it smells fantastic. And I'm going to just pour all of these yummy chickpeas onto a tray. Spread them out so they're in one single layer, and then these cook in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, hot oven, so 200 degrees. Do check them, give them a bit of a shake so they cook nice and evenly. Okay, chickpeas are out of the oven. I have allowed them to cool slightly, and then we're going to place them into a bowl, ready to devour. Fantastic. Look at that, super crispy, ready to have a taste. Have this one. So good. You can taste that red curry paste, not too spicy, just right. These are delicious as is, vegan friendly, they're gluten free, and they're also super delicious as an addition to any type of salad.